To enhance the XR lighting, we're installing a JNS LED headlight along with a couple of yellow LED modules. We purchased an extra headlight seal for this install, however, you can easily reuse the original. The JNS on the right is plug and play. The Skene photon blasters will be powered by tapping into the JNS low beam and ground wires. Before getting started, check the aim of your headlight while sitting on the seat. Begin by removing the two 10mm bolts holding on the headlight shroud. To uninstall, tip forward and then push up to clear the two metal prongs at the bottom. Since the bracket holding the gauges and headlight mount are not firmly braced, hold on to the headlight when removing the 12mm bolts. Remove the factory headlight and separate the plug. Move the wiring out of the way and install the new headlight. Keep the bolts just loose enough to allow for a final adjustment. Now you can connect the wiring. Then sit on the bike and move the headlight bracket to aim the light to the original level. When done, put the bike on a stand and tighten the bolts while monitoring the aim. The accessory lights are all wired up to the controller, ready to be tapped in, and came with all items necessary for installation. We're going to use these blue posi taps on the low beam and ground wires of the JNS wiring harness. When installing, gently hand tighten to avoid damaging the wire insulation. The ground wires from the accessory lights get connected to the black JNS ground, and the positive goes to the yellow JNS low beam wire. Before adding the shroud, test to ensure all lights are operational. They will turn off when the high beam is activated. Clean up the wiring and install the headlight shroud. Thread the metal prongs through the hold, push down, and lean it back into place. Tighten the two 10mm bolts holding on the shroud and perform one last check for headlight aiming. Make sure you're sitting on the bike for this process. Here are some simple comparisons with stock lighting on the left and aftermarket on the right. It is important to mention that these Skene photon blasters have the option to flicker to increase visibility to other vehicles. I hope you enjoyed the video and that it is helpful. Have fun, and as always, enjoy the ride.